In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from your Lloyds Bank credit card to your bank account. This process is often called a money transfer, and it moves available credit from your card into a current account you choose. Start by opening the Lloyds Bank mobile app or logging into internet banking on a secure connection. Make sure your app is up to date and have your bank account details handy. Once you're signed in, select your credit card from your list of accounts so you're viewing the correct card. From there, head to the section labeled Balance and Money Transfers. This is where Lloyds Group's options for moving money, and the one you want today is Money Transfer. Tap Money Transfer, then enter the amount you want to send. Take a second to check your available credit before you proceed, because the amount plus any fees will reduce your remaining credit limit. Next, enter the receiving bank account details, the account number, and the sort code. Type these carefully and double check for typos. Even a single digit off can send money to the wrong place. Before you finalize, you'll see a summary screen. Pause here and review everything: the transfer amount, the destination account number and sort code, and any fee or interest information shown by the bank. If something looks off, go back and correct it. If everything looks right, tap Confirm to complete the transfer. Once you confirm, Lloyds will process the payment. In many cases, the money arrives almost instantly, but it can take up to a few business days depending on the receiving bank and any routine checks. You should see a confirmation on screen or in your transaction history. It's a good idea to keep an eye on both your credit card activity and the receiving bank account to make sure the transfer appears as expected. A quick but important note: money transfers from a credit card are usually treated like cash advances. That means fees and interest charges may apply, often from the date of the transaction without a grace period. Review the costs in your account's terms and consider any limits or promotional rates that might affect you. If you don't see the money transfer option, your card or account type may not be eligible. And that's it. You've moved money from your Lloyds Bank credit card to your bank account, with the funds arriving either straight away or within a few business days.